Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
Mayor, the CPP-NPA is intensifying their tactical offensive. No, in fact, in Agusan also there was one abduction incident. One police officer killed in Kalinan. Another ambuscade in Bukidnon. Yung 4-month baby old. Are you still pursuing the peace talks with the CPP-NPA, Mayor?
No, I am not anymore inclined to. Alam mo yung sa mga propaganda nila and even on the streets, there's a lot of streamers there and placards saying that pasista ako, ako'y graft and corruption, may 2 billion ako. Eh, kung ganun paniwala ninyo, why relate with me? What's the point? Why are you talking to me if I am a corrupt official, if I have amassed wealth, and sus kung alam lang ninyo, I can give you an access to the bank. Wag lang yung mga kalaban ko sa politika. I can give you anytime to find out. All you have to do is write the AMLAC and allow them to push that button there. And kung ngayon, kung corrupt ako, kung pasista ako, kung mamamatay tao ako, at DDS ako, why talk to me? Goes find somebody else. Now, the reason there's an exhibition of food there, kaya mga NPA, alam mo bakit mahal? Dahil sa inyo. Kaya mga Pilipino, dapat maintindihan ninyo yan. Bakit mahal? Kasi ang NPA may extortion. Pati yung mga farmers na babayad, dagdag yan doon sa presyo. Dati, maniwala kayang NPA na yan, torpe lang talaga. Making lahat ng mga negosyante dito sinusunog yung it's providing work for the countryside and yet they are destroying the very essence of the industry. Kaya nagmahal kada pag naman ng truck maghingi tapos kaya nagmahal yung tapos they say that they fight for the people. What a lousy statement actually. Ayaw ko magipag-usap sa kanya. Hindi lang, sabi, nagpapahinga lang mga sundalo ko. But we will also go to the offensive. And I think this is the most important thing. Noon, we recognize them as legitimate rebels. But with their continued depredations and killing innocent people and even an infant of 4 months old, I'll be issuing a proclamation. I will remove them from the category of a legal entity or at least a semi-movement which would merit our attention, placing them pareho sa Amerika, terrorists. So beginning from now, wala nang rebellion because rebellion is a slight offense. It can be bailable except for the leader. We will file terrorist, murder lahat. Arson with murder. Lahat na, because I would consider them criminals already. Now, it's a great conspiracy between itong mga bayan, pati, they are in conspiracy with a rebellion going on. We will study and maybe we will have a crackdown here somewhere. Nagsasawa na ako dito sa kalukuhan nila. So, yung lahat na inyong pretending to be this, speaking for the people, yung mga quasi, ninyo dyan, legitimate, kunwari, and yet you are, I said, continuing the depredation, putting industries down, and making it hard for the people to make a living, mahal ang pagkain, kasi kayo na humihingi pa. Patay gutom, hindi kayo magtrabaho. Kayong mga NPA na sumamanap, kayong 50 years na matandaan na kayo, ay just surrender. Surrender ngayon, may bahay ako na maibigay sa inyo, may trabaho akong, pero magtrabaho kayo. I will not just pay you for indolence there. I will take you in government, but you have to work. Just like any other Filipino working every day to earn his keep. Meron tayong NPA. Ayaw ko na makipag-usap sa NPA. Sinabi ko na kay Duresa pati kay Belo, nandoon sila sa labas. Tell the idiots I am no longer talking to them. Wala, inaambos naman nila, police, anybody. I'm losing every day. All throughout the country, I'm losing 2 to 3 to 4 soldiers or policemen every day. Kaya nga ako, binigyan ko kayo ng sidearms. Kasi ang inyong main weapon, well, of course, that's the regular M16. Ang problema, paglabas ninyo, wala kayong baril. And you're almost sitting ducks. Well, to date, I have lost about 6 or 7 to the NPAs na naisparo nila na isyuhan yan. I don't mind it. That's war. Gera yan. Part of the statistics na yan. Pero gusto ko kasi nga lumabas kayo na hindi kayo nakahubad. Kaya itong mga NPA ang style, pati walang baril, binabaril yung sundalo, pati puli. So, the only thing that's really lacking for you to learn is yung pag-aralan ninyo yung style ng mga Sparrow. At isa pang kalaban natin na sumisira sa buhay natin ay itong mga terorista, kasali na ang NPA, kasali na ang mga kidnap or ransom, nandyan sa Hulo, ang Abu Sayyaf at lahat na. At ang utos ko sa kanila, at pag sila'y lumaban, durugin para matapos na ang problema ng Pilipino. Try to make this country as peaceful as it can ever be. Ako sa utos ko na yan, na ubusin ninyo sila. Sabihin ko sa inyo, time and again, I take full legal responsibility for it. I and I alone, kung sakali man, will go to prison. You can enjoy your freedom. I will take the risk. I am old. I am disposable. And you should not fail. We are fighting a war. And mind you, let me correct every Tom, Dick, and Harry who are idiots. By their name, you should know them. Alam mo, we are fighting for the survival of our nation. We have to make safe. We have to assure that the next generation will be freed of this vagaries of life, especially itong droga, for it will affect the quality of our nation tomorrow. We cannot afford to get something like 1/4 of the population disoriented, insane because of drugs. It is our sworn duty to protect them. If there is their order, the established order, if there is a lawless environment, they provide stability. Ang sundalo natin, atong mga sundalo, they are everything. And that is why you should love your soldier. I assure you of my unqualified support, especially as we continue to fight to defeat terrorism and violent extremism and insurgency, and address lingering emerging threats to our national security.